Okay, just in case, good day or good evening. Everything depends on what time of the day you're watching this video. As you can see, I'm going to log in into the website and I'm going to do it from scratch. So you can follow me, and if you have any problems, we will resolve these problems together. Okay? And here is my EnglishLab.com portal, and you already remember that you need to click on this e-text version 1.0 button on this icon. Let's do this together. And then you need to locate your book. This is the right book here, and you can see this text here. Hopefully this is already familiar to you and you know what to do in this case. If you don't remember, okay, I will remind you. So you click on this lock here, you choose flash allow, and then you click somewhere outside this box, and then you reload your page. And I will ask you to click on unit 1 here and click on 1.2 grammar. And then you can make this screen bigger by clicking on this whiteboard view icon here. In this grammar lesson we will talk about present simple and about adverbs of frequency. You should remember what present simple is. That's the verb tense, the verb form that you use when you talk about your everyday activities. So for example, I live in Tallinn. My brother lives in Tartu. I drink milk every day. My mother doesn't like milk at all. And there are affirmative sentences. So basically there are statements, affirmative, they are not negative. So my mother likes milk is an affirmative sentence. I speak English is an affirmative sentence. They work from home is an affirmative sentence. And there are examples of negative sentences. My cat doesn't like beer, or my mother doesn't speak French. They don't speak English. So there are examples of negative sentences. And you want to ask me about the adverbs of frequency. So adverbs are words that show you how something is done, and frequency means how often this is done. So for example, I never wake up before 5 o'clock in the morning. So never is an adverb and it shows you how often I do something. So in this case, I never do it. Or my cat sometimes bites me. So sometimes is an adverb and it shows you how often your cat bites you. So in our case, sometimes, all right? And now we're going to read and we're going to listen to Rosie's blog, okay? And as you listen, try to answer this question. Has Rose got the same interest as your sister, Violet? So here you can see Rose, here you can see Violet. I'm not sure which one of them is Rose, but doesn't matter. Let's listen to this blog, and at the same time I'll show you the text and you can listen and read.
We look the same, but we don't like the same things. Violet studies classical music, but I study art. She reads novels and poems, but I don't read much. And she often watches TV, but I never watch TV. It doesn't interest me. Violet writes poems. I write texts on my phone. I paint pictures. Violet tries to paint, but she never finishes her paintings. She doesn't understand art. I love hip-hop. She says that hip-hop annoys her. Our friends don't understand. You don't like the same things, they say, but you always go out together. Why? We have some fantastic arguments, I say.
Well, this text is full of action verbs. And remember, verbs are the words that describe actions like speak, read, etc. And now I'll ask you, so wait a second. So first of all, I show you what you need to do, and then I will ask you to hit the space bar and do this for me, okay? So can you please look at this text again and find as many examples of verbs in the present simple as possible. So for example, look is the verb in the present simple. Don't like is the verb in the present simple. We look is an affirmative. Look is an affirmative verb, which means it's not negative. And don't like is negative, which means it's not affirmative. Now please hit the space bar and find the rest of the verb for yourself. Okay, now let's check your answers. So first of all, let's find all the affirmative verbs which are not negative, yeah? Studies, study. Reads, watches, writes, paints, tries, finishes, says, annoys, say, go, have, say. Now we're going to do the same for the negative verbs. Please hit the space bar and find all the negative verbs, and then hit the space bar again and we'll check your answers. Okay, so the negative verbs will be don't like, don't read, doesn't interest, doesn't understand, don't understand. Can you see the difference? Doesn't understand and don't understand, right? She doesn't, I don't. Okay? And now study this grammar box, right? I love. So that's I, that's the first person singular. She is the third person. Remember, you need to say she writes, she goes, she studies, right? And how do you make it negative? Just add don't or doesn't, and as you can see, we lose the final S here, right? She likes, she doesn't like, so we've just lost the S thing. And there is a list of some adverbs of frequency, how often is done something. Always, usually, often, sometimes, never. Alright? And you see where they go in a sentence. They go before the verb, right? So goes is the verb, and adverbs of frequency, they go before the verb. She often goes out. She usually goes out. She sometimes goes out. She never goes out. Okay? Do you still remember anything from the text? I'm going to ask you to hit the space bar and say out loud, please say it out loud, how Rose and Violet are different. Here's an example for you. Rose studies art, but Violet studies music. So please hit the space bar and find some more examples and say them out loud. Hopefully you weren't cheating, okay? And now turn to exercise 4 and say sentences, say true sentences about you, so make them true about you. I'm going to say these sentences so they're true about me, but I will need to change a few words, okay? So I never write poems. My mother sometimes reads novels. I don't have any teacher at the moment, so I will replace my teacher with the word I, alright? So I sometimes draw pictures on the board. We, my friends and I, never go dancing. and I haven't got any classmates, so I'm going to replace the word classmates with the word friends. My friends sometimes listen to classical music. Now hit the space bar and say these sentences so they're true for you and say them out loud. Thank you very much. I'll ask you to do exercise 5 now. Carefully read the instructions, and if you need help, check the grammar box here. And now I'm going to pause this video, or actually you're going to hit the space bar, you're going to do this exercise, and then all together we're going to listen to the answers. Okay?
I live in a village, so I don't go to the cinema very often. My brother often watches films on TV, but I prefer playing games with my friend Dylan. He usually wins, but he doesn't win every game. We don't play very often on school days, but we play a lot at weekends.
Let's listen to this again.
So I don't go to the cinema. I live in a village, so I don't go to the cinema very often. My brother often watches films on TV, but I prefer playing games with my friend Dylan. He usually wins, but he doesn't win every game. We don't play very often on school days, but we play a lot at weekends.
Okay, and I do hope that your answers are not different from the correct answers, because I know that you speak English well, and I think you were able to do this exercise just right. And you know that the best way of learning something is to find mistakes and correct the mistakes. Actually, there are no grammar mistakes, there are factual mistakes, which means that everything is okay with the grammar. You see, Taylor Swift, so it's a she. So the right ending here, yeah, she plays. But actually, she doesn't play the drums. She sings. And if you don't know the answer, you can use Google. So check the facts, yeah, check the facts. All right, look at this. One Direction play classical music. What your answer will be? One Direction don't play classical music, right? They play, I have no idea what they play, okay? Director Tim Burton makes documentaries. No. Director Tim Burton doesn't make documentaries. He makes, I don't know, check Google. You haven't been banned from Google, right? J.K. Rowling acts in films. No, J.K. Rowling doesn't act in films. Okay, Google it. Daniel Radcliffe and Emma Watson paint pictures. Daniel Radcliffe and Emma Watson don't paint pictures. And again, if you haven't been banned from Google, check it. And the last task here is task number 7. Carefully read the instructions, hit the space bar, do the task, and hit the space bar again. Okay? Shall we listen and check?
I love dancing. I go to dance classes with my friend, Kay. We do hip hop. It's great. And we sometimes do Zumba, but not very often. I don't like salsa much, but Kay loves it.
Thanks a lot. And I know you're busy, and I'm not going to ask you to do this exercise. It's an extra task, so we're not doing this. But there will be a few tasks for you waiting at myenglish.lab.com, alright? So let me just go back to that website here, find your book, that's your book here, and when you log into your myenglish.lab.com, go to the assignment section and you will find a few exercises waiting for you there, and please do them on time, alright? Okay guys, thanks for watching, thanks for your great work, stay safe, wash your hands and spend some time outside, but keep social distance. I'll talk to you soon.